Hello everyone! So I want to talk about one of my favorite review activities. This one focuses more on the procedure of vocabulary. So as far as review go, there's a lot of multiple choice and things like that in most science classes. But when it really comes down to it, vocabulary is one of the most important things when teaching technology and science. Quizlet is a wonderful resource for students to really get down how vocabulary works, because this site effectively makes flashcards into a game. So the purpose of this is to help students understand vocabulary, and I'm going to go through how this works. This is a technology intended for students that teachers can use. If you go to your study sets, not only can you download things from sets from other people, but you can create your own. I'll give you. You don't have to upgrade to teacher to create your own sets. So what I can do is I can click create, and then I can select whatever chapter it is. I'm going to open up one of the ones I've already made because I feel like it does a good job in describing what I need. So let's talk about weather and climate. Each one, whenever you create one, so I can say edits right here, and what I do is each line has a term and the definition. And as I continue, I can keep adding cards where I would say what's the term I'm looking for and what's the definition. And once I have those done, I can have a set of cards. What goes on with that is with these cards, you can click play. So I can say live. And what happens is when you create a game, you create the game, you say let's play. Students will type in these codes, plays a little music, but I'll jump out of that to avoid the music. They jump in there, they type in the code, they type in their names. You can X out of any names that you find inappropriate. Once there's enough players, you start this game, and students go through these flashcards and try to work together in groups. So they pair them up in fun little groups with names like the seahorses or the turtles or other kinds of animals and events. So it's fun for kids to be put into groups, but tries to push them into group work. This really helps all students work together to try to figure out vocabulary. So this is a fun way for students to really get what these words mean. So let's talk about how this plays into the ISTE standards. This helps collaborate with teachers, administrators, and evaluate learning tools and resources that enhance teaching and learning that is compatible with school technology infrastructures. I'm in a one-to-one school, so oftentimes students will be able to use their iPads for a Quizlet to work well. And other teachers love using this. So I know the Spanish and German teachers across the hall from me use this all the time to review. Not only is it useful as a technology coach, but as a teacher, it also models and promotes strategies for achieving equitable access to digital tools, resources, technology related best practices for all students and teachers. So that means it is a great practice for any student or teacher to access to help them review for vocabulary words. So that is what Quizlet is. It's very easy and simple to set up. You sign in, you create your own, and then you launch it with the Live app. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.